Hi there, Miss Krelove. My name is Noah Stock, and today I'm going to present to you my sales pitch. I'm often scared that one day I'll do something stupid and my phone will look a little something like this: shattered, defective, damaged, and in some cases, unusable. Your device may get like this when you drop it while you are having an important phone call with your grandma, or while you take it out of your pocket so you can make a cell phone and risk dropping it from a greater height. Or maybe it falls off the edge of the table when you go to grab it. Or perhaps you're one of those people who like to go out and drop their phones from absurd heights just to see what happens. Well, let me tell you something. The front and back of most new cell phones are made from glass, and as we all know, glass is glass and glass breaks, no matter how strong the marketing team says it is. With that being said, let's look at some of the statistics. 74% of people in the United States have admitted to dropping and damaging their cell phone, while 49% of which reported dropping their phone from their pocket. This is according to research done by Omiton. So now we know the percentage of people who have reportedly dropped and broken their phone, but now let's look at the statistics for people who use a case for their cell phone. According to research conducted by How2Geek, 80% of people have reported using their cell phone with a case, while the remaining 20% of people don't use any form of protection whatsoever. Out of that 80%, 21% of people have dropped and broken their phone while in a protective case. So it seems like the obvious solution is to get a phone case like one of these, since the numbers show that they reduce the risk of damaging your device. But the problem with most phone cases is if you get a case that looks good, they're typically going to be very thin and not very protective. Or, if you get a protective case, they're often going to be very bulky and not the best looking case around. So, what's the solution? Well, let me introduce you to the Limitless Phone Case. This is the world's most protective phone case due to its fully armored Kevlar construction, with thermoplastic elastomer inserts and raised corners to provide critical impact protection on all surfaces. Along with an anti-shock silicone lining, the Limitless phone case is the most protective case your phone will ever see. Now, to prove just how durable the Limitless phone case is, we had one of our team members head to the mountains to drop a phone in one of our cases from a zip line. Let's check it out.
So with that, straight ahead of me.
Oh my goodness, actually okay? That's actually fine!
Now that we've proven how strong and durable the Limitless phone case is, we're still left with one big issue. Recall that 20% of people who admitted to never using a phone case? How do we persuade them to use a phone case and protect their devices? To sell to those who don't use a phone case, we invented our Naked series of phone cases. With exposed sides, this case has been designed to provide a natural feel without sacrificing durability and protection of your expensive device. So after introducing you to the Limitless phone case, why shouldn't you want to protect your phone? Thank you. And here's a list of my references. Thank you.